another banging video, baby. So in this video, we're going to talk about Asaprocky's trial. Yesterday was day 4 and there are numerous reports, but let's talk about the facts in this case.
So some people call you a snitch. What you say about that?
Snitch.
Any comment on that?
Would you be a snitch if somebody shot at you?
Nah, I don't never snitch.
You never snitch, so somebody shoot at you?
I've been shut out. I got a bullet in my leg right now.
I mean, that's you. Where you at now, though?
And I didn't snitch.
Where you at now, though?
I didn't snitch, though.
Hey, look where you at.
I feel like that was our whole relationship. Like, just weird grudges. I never was like just straight out like, oh, fuck you. I never said fuck you. I probably did, but it was like real wishy-washy in the sense like love, like I don't know, you know. But I never really got responses back from him.
I'm trying to understand, if you can, what your state of mind is as you're going to this meeting with him, or as you said, it's a link up.
My state of mind?
Yes.
I was feeling real confident because, like I said, I don't think he read the room. I'm doing really good for myself. So I felt like this is a time for me and him to like actually come to common grounds and be like, fuck the bullshit. You know what I mean? Because what are we doing here? Like, you talk to everybody else like that. You're not talking to me like that. Nor am I accepting of this. You know what I mean?
When you say read the room, what do you mean by that phrase?
Because why would you do what you did if you're not I say read the room is because like you're not reading the room, like you're not knowing who you're dealing with. You know what I mean? Like you're thinking you could just he knows of me, but he didn't know what I was up to. So you're probably thinking I'm a bum or I'm not like this person, somebody you could just have your way with.
And then we get into a little bit of the reports. Now, in case you guys are not aware, Asaprocky is facing 2 felony counts of assault with a semi-automatic firearm. The case stems from a 2021 confrontation with his, someone said it's a variation of them, with his former friend Asaprocky, who claimed Asaprocky fired a gun at him during an argument. Now, after Asaprocky made a report to the police went to the spot, did not locate any evidence. Asaprocky went there, found spent shells days later, handed it to the police and said, "Here you go, officer. These are the spent shells from the gun that Rocky used. Look at my fingers. Even my fingers were grazed." Now, initially, many prosecutors have been saying that Asaprocky should have taken the plea deal, which would see Asaprocky behind bars for 3 months? If I'm correct, 6 months, sorry. For 6 months, he would serve like 3 years community service. He would have to hand over all his weapons. Asaprocky leaned in and politely declined the plea deal. The judge has been so impressed with how well spoken Asaprocky is. I guess because he's a rapper, and oftentimes when people hear rappers speak, they think that they're uneducated, but that's a misconception. You know, it's a really, really high misconception. Oftentimes these bad boys, they are well educated, very smart, but they do make, dumb decisions. No, with Asaprocky is saying, "Your Honor, I just pulled a stunt gun." Now, in the state of California, they have a law that says that, something along the lines of once you raise your hands at someone, even if you don't actually slap them, the intent in itself, and once the prosecutor can prove that you had an intent, that can see you doing time behind bars. However, now Asaprocky is pushing back on those arguments, and, Asaprocky is getting feisty as well. Now, I do believe that things are changing as time passes in Asaprocky's favor, because he's providing evidence of Asaprocky trying to extort him, and the evidence is really actually there. It's given the sense that Asaprocky was saying, "Listen, you're with Riri. I need some of that Fenty money, baby. You gotta give me some. If not, that we're going to have a problem. Also, Asaprocky's attorney, very stern, very serious, very strong. And I love to see that from an attorney. He comes with his arguments and he positions really, really well. Now, yesterday, Rihanna attended court to support her man. No. Rihanna was sitting in the gallery in between Rocky's mother and sister, wearing a button-up white top, skinny black tie, black work pants, and black point pumps, accessorizing with a pair of big gold hoop earrings. The judge has been asking consistently about their status and if Rihanna will be there during trial. And, many people say that the judge apparently likes Riri. You never know, because sometimes they are diplomatic, with their intentions. It may give the sense that, it's just, routine question, but it could be that he's a big fan of her and would love to see her on a daily basis that close. I mean, if he's going to see her outside of that, he's going to have to pay for it. But if Riri takes a seat in his courtroom, that's a free show for Your Honor while he's on the job. No, the report for the state, she's letting her hair down, parting it to the right, looking at people when they talk. No mask, no glasses on in the court. Rocky arrived at the courthouse in all black suit this morning, but he and Riri appeared to pull up separately, just like they did yesterday. They did leave together on Wednesday, though. They often do that from time to time. Even when they go to dinner, they will leave separately. Sometimes they arrive together and sometimes they leave separately. And in case you are not aware, it is something that is strongly advisable when it comes to parents with kids. It's normally advisable that, if you can avoid traveling together, you don't travel together. In case there's an accident, your kids have at least one remaining parent. So I don't know if that's the reason behind their move or if it's to, confuse the paparazzi that keeps hounding them. Now they're saying Rihanna's apparently famished too, snacking on some kind of bar or brownie while waiting for proceedings to kick off. Unclear if she missed breakfast to get to the trial or if she's stress eating, but it's definitely no Giorgio Baldi. Oh, please leave the girl in that restaurant alone. She loves it, and so what? Now they're saying we're told Rihanna looks more relaxed today than yesterday. It's a much smaller crowd in the courtroom today. After all, she's going to get relaxed, but she's also business, not cracking a smile or giggling at jokes others in the room finding amusing. No photogs have been able to get Riri on camera so far. Of course, we told you Rihanna planned to attend the trial this week and pulled up yesterday too, sitting in front row of the gallery while Asaprocky, the man accusing Rocky of shooting him, testified. Now guys, we're going to leave that at that because there's nothing else about that. We're going to come back and we're going to talk about, some other pertinent details in this case so that you guys can have some more information on exactly what is going on. So it is your time to chime in. What are your thoughts? While you're at it, give this video a big thumbs up, share, stay safe, and see you guys in the comment section. Peace.